Alright, this is what I'm gonna cook for my dinner kasi corn lang yung kanina. So, this is prime New York strip steak. Alright. Ito na nga lang ang pang dinner ko ngayong may time na ako. Inuna ko kasi ang Facebook. Okay, this is my dessert. Chocolate cream pie. Yes. Alright. Chocolate cream pie. Sarap. Looks good. Mas inuuna kong dessert kaysa yung prime New York strip steak. Dessert before the main course. Sarap pala to. Talap-talap. Ayun, air fryer na lang muna ang gagamitin ko. So, this was already boiled, so tender. Ngayon, I'm going to air fry na lang instead of grilling it. Alright. Salad. Salad muna. Ayun, ayaw ko siyang sunugin. Mas gusto ko yung moist, smooth lang siya and juicy. Total na i-boil na ito at sobrang tender na siya. Oh, diba? Okay, now it's being air fried. Ayun, kaon na. Let's eat na mga anak. This is my dinner. Very tender. Very good. Wow. Juicy siya.